Hello, science enthusiasts, and welcome to SciNexa. I am Rohan Mohanty, a student currently studying in grade 10th. I am the founder at SciNexa. This year, I have got the wonderful opportunity to represent my country, India, at the global stage by participating in the IJSO. SciNexa is an online, totally free of cost, and student driven initiative that aims to provide free of cost as well as good quality IJSO training to the students. We are here to empower the next generation of IJSO aspirants to make them capable enough to represent their nations at the global stage. At SciNexa, the factor that sets us apart is our experience. We have built a vast network of students who have previously participated in different stages of the IJSO and have surely successfully qualified many of the stages. Through their experience, they are going to help you a lot in rectifying your mistakes, and they will surely show you the correct path to follow. Our mentorship is going to be of great help in this regard. We are going to provide regular classes or lectures that will help you to increase your insight in subject related materials. Our practice sheets and mock tests will be of great help in evaluating yourself. Our guidance will be of great help in increasing your efficiency and accuracy. We are here to mentor you anytime you want because we are totally devoted to the student community itself. If you want to join us for empowering yourself in your IJSO preparation journey, or if you want us to help you just for the sake of science, then we are always ready. You can register yourself by filling up the necessary details in the Google form provided in our website. Or else you can contact me at ruhanmohanty12106@gmail.com. We hope that we will be able to accomplish something great by this initiative of SciNexa, and we will always be with you to extend our support. Thank you.